Guys, before we begin with the ride along, if you would like to discover how I was able to generate over $10,000 per month completely online without having to work long hours, deal with low paying offers, not tip customer or do any giveaway whatsoever, make sure you click the very first link in the description below this video. Now let's begin with the ride along. Okay guys, this pickup is from Country Club Cafe. When I took the offer was 3 something miles for $9.50 from DoorDash. So hopefully I have it ready. We will see. Okay guys, so we got it. Let me put this in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're here.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
Okay guys, so next pickup it is from offer. It is from Albertsons from Instacart. When I took the order was $33 for 18 items, 20 something units, and just going 1 mile. So I saw the items, they're not that bad. They seem easy to find. So we're going to do this right now. Hopefully take me like less than an hour, but you never know. No. Okay guys, so we're finishing this Instacart. Okay guys, that's done. Now let's keep moving forward. Okay guys, so this pickup is from Chef Tanja. I took the order was I believe less than 2 miles for close to $10, so that's pretty good. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put this in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're dropping off right here. That's done guys. Hey guys, next pickup is from Luna Grill. I'm working on a double stack from Uber Eats, 11 miles total for $26. Luna Grill and the Daily Grill. So let's pick up this one first. Okay guys, so we got it. Let's put it in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're picking up the other order from the double stack from Uber Eats. It is from the Daily Grill. It's only 2 items, 2 chicken pad thais. They must be good from here because people always order chicken pad thai from the Daily Grill. So let's do this guys. Guys, so we're here dropping off the last order from the double stack from Uber Eats. The other one I couldn't record. It was going to a tattoo business. For the Daily Grill? Okay. You're welcome, man. Okay guys, so next pickup, it is from Burgers and Beer. Uber Eats took the offer, was 6 miles for $12, but it is putting me back into my zone. So hopefully they have it ready. We will see. Okay guys, so we got it. Let's put it in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're here dropping off the order from Burgers and Beers. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. Okay guys, so we're working on the next pickup. It is from DoorDash. It was mile and something for $8 for 3 items for C-Bone. It might have some hidden tips. It might not. Let me check. And Grubhub today, it's terrible. Only terrible offers from Grubhub today. Anyway, so it's right there. Now, hopefully I have it ready. We will see. Okay guys, so we got it. Now it says that it have dessert, and I saw a lady, finishing an ice cream. Hopefully I didn't put it here because the thing is hot, but anyway, so no, maybe not. Now let me put this bad boy in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're here. 141, I believe it's this one.
The customer requested you hand them the order. They added the following
Okay,
instructions.
guys, let's get on the way.
Hand it.
Okay, guys, so we're here doing the next order. It got super slow right now. So I got this order. It doesn't look the best. It was $15 for like 8 miles, right? But it's for Mastro Steakhouse, a very expensive steakhouse here. And I know that sometimes it is from Uber Eats. And I know that sometimes Uber Eats high tips in offers like that are very close to the $2 per mile ratio, as long as it is from a good restaurant and the order is decent. So, but it's not like a guarantee or anything. So we will see. Let me see. Mastro. Okay, guys, so we got it. Now let's put this bubble in the car and head on the way. Okay, guys, so we're here. I think it's the house right there. Okay, guys, so next pickup it is from DoorDash Chick-fil-A. I took the offer, was a little bit over 7 miles for $13.50. It is not the best dollar to mile ratio, but it's putting me back into my zone. So better than just driving 10 miles. At least I get to make $1 something per mile. So hopefully I have it ready.
Where did it go? Something go? I was exported.
Okay, guys, so we got it. Just a little bag and 2 drinks. Now let me put this in the car and head on the way. Okay, guys, so we're here. So I need to look for the address. Hi, are you guys waiting for DoorDash? Yes. Yes. Okay, guys, so next pickup is from Grubhub. I think it was close to 6 miles for $12 from Gladon. So hopefully I have it ready. We will see. Okay, guys, so we got it. Now let's put this bubble in the car and head on the way. Okay, guys, so we're doing a little bit of dirty multi-apping, and I'm pairing this Grubhub. I got this one from the Italian place that I showed you, but then Grubhub gave me an add-on from a pizzeria across the street from here, and I got an offer heading in the same direction to the drop-off of the Grubhub orders from Uber Eats for $14. So okay, guys, I had to wait a little bit. They were super busy, and there was one dasher just getting a gigantic order. I wish it was me. So big, I had a lot of money, at least, you know, maybe $50, $100 tip. Well, you never know, right? It was a catering order. So let me put this bubble in the car, and then I need to go to the pizzeria. Head on the way. Okay, guys, so we are doing the last pickup, and I missed another pickup from Uber Eats because I was telling a dasher that he forgot his bag inside. The guy's like, no. Okay, guys, so we got it. Now let me put this in the car and head on the way. Okay, guys, so we're here. So hopefully it's this one right here. Okay, guys, so we're here. That's done, guys. Let's get on the way. Okay, guys, so we are dropping off the last order of this dirty multi-apping. It wasn't that difficult, but there was a lot of traffic on the street. So this is the last one. Okay, guys, so we're here. Next pickup, it is from P-Change. The DoorDash took the order 7 something miles for $16.25, 3 items. I don't think there's going to be any hidden tips, but who knows. So I am on the river. The only issue with this is that, you know, you gotta walk. Make sure you don't get hit by a car. Like the person didn't do the stop sign. Okay, guys, so let me go to P-Change. Okay, guys, so we're here at P-Change. Is it open? I think so, yeah. Now let me go ahead and grab the food. Okay, guys, so we got it. Now let's put the bubble in the car and head on the way. Okay, guys, so we're here.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
Okay, guys, that's done. Okay, guys. Next pickup, it is from Eco Sushi. Uber Eats. And it's are these two bags? Okay, thank you very much. Okay guys, so we got it. Let's put it in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're here and we're looking for the room 220. So we have to go upstairs with these drinks. Oh my god guys, heavy shit. Anyway, so hopefully it's not hard to find. So I have to be really careful. Hopefully it's in here. Okay, so rooms 180 to 214. Okay, 215 to 229. Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Have a good night, sir.
thank you.
Now, let's keep moving forward. If you watch the entire ride along and you would like to discover how I was able to generate over $10,000 per month completely online without having to work long hours, deal with low paying offers, not tip customers, or do any gig work whatsoever, make sure you click the very first link in the description below this video. Guys, this is Carlos and I will see you on the next video.